Welcome to my online tips channel. This channel is dedicated for those who are willing to earn passive income online. Please support our channel to share quality content. We upload quality video content every day. So, please subscribe to our channel. Let's go to today's video.
Three powerful platforms for selling your products. When it comes to making money online, selling a digital product is one of the most straightforward methods, as well as one of the most rewarding and the most profitable. This means selling a product with zero overheads, where the entire transaction can be automated by a tool such as WooCommerce. What's not to like? But why not take things a step further? By adding your products to JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank, you can potentially skyrocket your sales. In this presentation, we'll look at how this works. So first, what are these sites? While JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank are all separate entities, they have one thing in common. They are affiliate platforms. What this means is that they list products that can be sold for commission. If you were an affiliate marketer, then you might visit these sites in order to find ebooks, courses, and other products that you could sell for commission. You can make a lot of money this way. But have you ever thought about being on the other side of the equation? What if you were the person with the product? Firstly, you can use all three of these sites to sell directly. This is a captive audience of people who are highly interested in internet marketing. So if you have a product that caters to that audience, then you can potentially make some big sales here. But that's not all. These sites are also useful if you want to get help selling. If you list your product and open it up to affiliate marketers, then you'll be able to enlist a legion of professional marketers to help you sell your book. So, for instance, if you are already selling your ebook from your website for $25 per download, you can continue doing this. You have lost nothing. But now let's say that you offer to give away 50% of your earnings for every sale. That way, you're still earning $12.50 per sale. If an affiliate marketer with a mailing list of 100,000 highly targeted people should jump on board, then that could potentially mean hundreds of sales overnight, without you lifting a finger. Sure, you're giving away some profit, but you just made hundreds or thousands of dollars you wouldn't have made otherwise. But now imagine what happens when you have 200 marketers all doing the same thing.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and post your valuable comments. See you on the next video.